is it possible to look sexy in a tartan suit? Or do you just look, at best, dignified, but look like a fogyish Scotsman? Is it possible to look sexy, attractive to prospective partners in all tartan?
I will use two post this live. I will use two pieces of photographic evidence.
Mm-hmm.
Me and Lance. The photo that we did at the photo shoot of Lance in the Pennsylvania kilt suit is probably the best looking photo I've ever seen of Lance. And I'm like, damn,
sorry,
that dude
Lance.
looks good. No. It's just a good photo.
It's a good photo. Mm-hmm.
It's a good photo. He looked very, he looked dead sexy in it, if I do say so myself.
Okay. All right. Mac, do you have an opinion?
I will back Rocky on the Lance photo. I did not realize that was Lance at first.
Really?
It's one of those things you look at and you're like, oh, well, that's Lance.
Well, yeah, he doesn't have glasses and he has his hair.
Yeah, his slicked back
cut.
and it's
Trimmed.
Yep. Yep. But I don't know. I think if you had two guys go into a venue, like a party venue, with a group of slightly inebriated ladies, okay, so the filters are a little bit down, not down to the point of being dangerous, and one guy's in a full tartan suit, and the other guy's in an argyle with a little bit of bling, and maybe the collar undone or something, I think he would come off better.
Now, see, here's where I go back to my point of the peacock among the peacocks. If it's one guy in a tartan suit by himself or with like one other guy in a kilt, it looks too much. But if there's a full room, if you're going to a St. Andrews event and there's 50, 60, 120 guys in kilts with similar, penguin-looking things, Prince Charlie in white shirt, Prince Charlie white shirt, Argyle white shirt, Prince Charlie white shirt, Regimental double white shirt, and then you have one dude in a full tartan outfit head to toe. He stands out as like, wow, he put a lot of effort into that versus looking like they phoned
Or
it
just
in.
a lot of money.
A little bit of both. But it's in that context, I think he looks better than the other guys.
Okay.
Context is king.
I am one of my favorites.
Yes.
I'm very curious to hear opinions on this from the peanut gallery.
Let us know.
Especially
What do you
the
guys
ladies
think?
out there.
Tell us, is a guy in a full tartan suit head to toe dead sexy, or what the hell are you thinking? You look like Gerald Ford in the 70s.
I don't know. Gerald Ford was pretty sexy.
When I think sex symbol, I think Gerald Ford.
See, now I want to do like a video of you in a tartan suit with the John Travolta stand, the Bee Gees Staying Alive thing, like walking into the venue. With bagpipes. Staying Alive on bagpipes. Hi, everybody. This is what's called an outro. This is the part where I tell you that we're grateful that you watched the video and we really want you to subscribe and ring the bell and order donuts and coffee. And if you want to see more content about kilts, look over here for our other stuff. That's what you're supposed to say in this thing. I hope you're still watching. Anyway, do the stuff.